So this is the top part of my cart. As you guys can see, I have my makeup brushes up here. Then I have my caboodle. You guys know I have this caboodle. I showed you this in a haul and in my makeup collection video. If you guys want to see my makeup collection video, if you wanted me to be a little bit more in-depth what's in my caboodle or with my makeup period, I will leave my makeup collection video linked down below. And that video is almost 50 minutes, so grab you a snack when you watch it. I just have these roses right here that I got from Dollar Tree. They're just like some long stem roses, and I thought these were super cute to put right here. Just give it like a, you know, dark type of glam. I think I'm going to buy some more and put some on the side right here. These are all of my makeup brushes, like all of my face brushes right here. Eventually I would want this whole top part to be filled with makeup brushes. Like, that'd be so cute. Oh, and this is perfect if you're a makeup artist. Like, I know a lot of people do probably use this, but if you're like a freelance makeup artist, girl, get you one of these. You can get this from Dollar Tree. I recommend for you guys to get this. It's only $1. You can find this in the party section, and when you see it, I recommend to get more than one because these are hard to find. You can see all your makeup brushes. That's what I love about it. So I actually have let me turn it around. So I have 2 of those back here, and then right here I have these 2 like candle holders that I got from At Home. I love At Home. They have the best like storage stuff. I have like some more face brushes in here and some face brushes over here. I have some more room to fit some more. So yeah, so those are all of my face brushes. I do have a lot. I have all of my lip products in here. I will open it so you guys can see, just get like an overview. So I just have to kind of pull it out a little bit so I can just, you know, open both sides. So this is like the top part, and yeah, so that's all of my lip products. And like I said, if you guys want me to go more, if you want to see a more in-depth video of my lip products, I will leave my makeup collection video linked down below. So I just have like some random stuff down here. I have my baby, my skull down here. I don't have a name for her. Like, what should I name her? But I got this from Ross like a couple years ago for my birthday. My mom brought it for me. Then I have this mirror. Let me actually turn it on for you guys. So I got this mirror from Five Below. It does light up. You just need some batteries. It's only $5 freaking. Got this candy bowl from Dollar Tree. You can get it out the party section, and I just mix some faux gems and pearls together. And I have my like inspired Louis Vuitton makeup bag. It's nothing in there. I just wanted some decor, I guess, somewhere to store my bag. Then I got these new organizers for my eye brushes, and I picked these up from Marshall's the other day, and you guys, I like these. I actually got 2 of them. I really just needed 1, to be honest, because all of my eye brushes fits in here, and I have that extra one back there. I just have 2 palettes that didn't fit at the bottom, but of course I could just put anything in there like foundations or setting sprays or whatever. So yeah, I have my brushes in the front, and I can just pick it up like this when I get ready to film a video. So my last section, the last layer, is actually my makeup palettes. Now this is stuffed to the max. I have like all my Morphe palettes in here. I think it's like a face palette in there, Revolution, Cara Beauty, ColourPop, Z palette. Then I have Cara Beauty again. Then I have my Juvia's Place palettes and some ColourPop. I don't know what this is. What is that? Oh, Cara Beauty. That's like a face palette. I have Glam Goth. I need to try that. I can't wait to try that. Some more Bad Habit, Too Faced, Naked, Heat by Urban Decay, Anastasia, Bad Habit, ColourPop, Revolution. I think this is Morphe. It's probably Nicka K. And I got like some MAC palettes, some more ColourPop, Juvia's Place. This is all of my BH Cosmetics Sweet Shop palettes. Another Juvia's Place that should be over here. I don't know why it's there. Catrice, ColourPop. I got the new little Ray of Sunshine palettes. Nicka K Magic Collection right here. I have to show you guys one more thing. I did purchase some push lights to put under here, and as you guys can see, that's what it would look like with the light. But I got these from Dollar Tree, and the sticky part is not really sticky. and it keeps falling down, so I'm gonna have to find a way to keep it up there. But that's what it looks like with the light, and I just think that it's so cute. Especially you can use it as like a night light or something, and you can like have more light down there to see your makeup, to see your palette. So yeah, I did get those from Dollar Tree, but child, they keep falling, and it's not working, you know. And over here I just still have my vanity with my extra storage down there. I brought some new acrylic organizers. If you're interested in this, I will leave a link down below. I just have like my Maybelline glosses up here. I need to fix those. And as you guys can see, that detail in the back, I got the black and white stripes. And then they do have one like just plain black, and then they have one with bats, if you guys like bats, I don't know. Then I have my Fenty glosses up here as well. I need to fix it because it kind of fell. Then I have my foundations and this little thing up here that I got from Dollar Tree. It's supposed to be like a pencil or marker type of holder, but I put my foundations in there. And then this is the organizer that I got from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. So these two I got from Marshalls, and then I found another one today from TJ Maxx. I got to take the tag off. The $16.99. Just got those back there. Yeah, so everything is like pretty much the same. And in here I got a couple new products. I love this drawer. I love how deep it is. Like you could put setting powders or something in there. And I have all of my face powders in here. And I decided to put like all my glitters or single eyeshadows in here. Like eye pencils and lip pencils. I just kind of mix them up together. So this is like my beauty space from starting over here to over there.